Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your online experience smoother. Today, we're tackling something a bit nostalgic: how to use the older version of Facebook in 2025. Maybe you're someone who prefers the classic layout because it's simpler, more familiar, or just easier on the eyes. Whatever your reason, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. First off, why bother with the older version? In 2025, Facebook has rolled out tons of new features, but not everyone wants the flashy updates. The classic interface can feel less overwhelming and might even help with privacy settings you're used to. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account as you normally would. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on the downward arrow next to the question mark icon. This will open a menu. Look for Settings and Privacy and select it. Next, in the Settings menu, scroll down to Your Facebook Information. Here, you might find an option labeled Switch to Classic Facebook or something similar. Click on that, and Facebook will prompt you to confirm the change. Go ahead and confirm, it only takes a second. Now that you're in the older version, let's navigate it quickly. The news feed is front and center, just like before. To check messages, click on the Messenger icon at the top. For friends and profiles, use the left sidebar menu. It's straightforward, but remember, some features from the new version might not be available here, so double-check for any missing tools. One tip for 2025. If you run into any glitches, make sure your browser is up to date, as older interfaces can sometimes conflict with new web standards. Also, keep an eye on Facebook's announcements, as they might phase out this option eventually. There you have it. That's how you can still enjoy the older version of Facebook in 2025. It's a great way to keep things simple and efficient. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.